Dear student, welcome back to the next lecture. We are going to start new unit Ancillary Service Management. The Ancillary Service Management, the activities performed by the system operator to keep the system in synchronism and operate it reliably in the restructured environment are typically known as a ancillary services. तो restructured सिस्टम के अंदर सिस्टम ऑपरेटर द्वारा जो एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म की जाती हैं सिस्टम को रिलायबल रखने के लिए इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग एंसिलरी सर्विसेज. प्रोविजन ऑफ एंसिलरी सर्विसेज अंडर द डीरेगुलेट एनवायरमेंट इज नॉट एज ए स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एज इट इन द वर्टिकली इंटीग्रेटेड स्ट्रक्चर. जो एंसिलरी सर्विसेज जो यूज करते हैं और जो अब वर्टिकली इंटीग्रेटेड स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर पहले जो हम एंसिलरी सर्विसेज यूज करते थे उनका दोनों का सिस्टम थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. द मेन रीजन व्हेन दैट इज दैट द एंटिटी प्रोवाइडिंग एंसिलरी सर्विस में नॉट बी अंडर डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑपरेटर. क्योंकि जो डीरेगुलेटेड सिस्टम के अंदर जो एंसिलरी सर्विसेज हैं वो डायरेक्टली सिस्टम ऑपरेटर के अंदर में नहीं आती हैं. The ancillary services are defined as all those activities on the interconnected grid that are necessary to support the transmission of power while maintaining reliable operation and ensuring the required degree of quality and safety. It becomes clear that the ancillary service may include scheduling and dispatch, frequency regulation, voltage control, generation reserve, etc. Ancillary services are defined all those activities, ये सारी एक्टिविटी को डिफाइन करती हैं on the interconnected grid that are necessary, जिनकी की आवश्यकता होती है to support the transmission of power, जो पावर को ट्रांसमिशन करने के लिए while maintaining reliable operation, ensuring the required degree of quality and safety. It has become clear that the ancillary services may include scheduling, dispatch, frequency, regulation, voltage control, generation reserve, etc. If we further discuss the types of ancillary services, the following are the function has been identified as a ancillary services. First is the regulation, the use of generation or load to maintain minute-to-minute generation load balance within the control area. This is the function of the ancillary services. Load following, this service refer to load generation balance toward end of a scheduling period. एनर्जी इम्बैलेंस, अगर एनर्जी इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है the use of generation to meet through hour to hour and daily variation in load. Operating reserve, spinning operating reserve supplemental. The provision of for the operating reserve spinning, the provision of unloaded generating capacity that is synchronized to the grid and can immediately respond to correct for generation load imbalance caused by generation or transmission outage that is fully available for several minutes. In the operator reserve supplemental, the provision of generating capacity and cuttable load to correct for generation load imbalance caused by generation or transmission outage that is fully available for several minutes. However, unlike supplement spinning reserves, supplemental reserve is not required to respond immediately. जो ऑपरेटिंग रिजर्व स्पिनिंग होते हैं वो इमीडिएटली रेस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, जबकि ऑपरेटिंग रिजर्व सप्लीमेंट्री जरूरी नहीं है कि वो इमीडिएटली रेस्पॉन्ड करें. बैकअप सप्लाई में वी कैन यूज आल्सो द एंसिलरी सर्विसेज. दिस सर्विस कंसिस्ट ऑफ सप्लाई गारंटी कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड बाय जनरेटर with other generator or with the electrical system to ensure they are able to supply their consumer in case of scheduled or unscheduled unavailability. और in case अगर कोई unscheduled activity होती है तो उस केस में it can supply the electricity. System control. This activity can be compared with the function of the brain in the human body. System control is all about a control area operator function, that is scheduled generation and transaction and control generation in real time to maintain generation load balance. Next is the dynamic scheduling. It includes real time meeting, telemetry, along with the computer software, hardware to virtually transfer some of or all of generator output or a customer load from one control area to another. Reactive power and voltage control support. The injection or absorption of reactive power from generator or capacitor to maintain system voltage within the required range. This is the also function of the ancillary services. Real power transmission losses. This service is necessary to compensate for the difference existing between energy supplied to the network by the generator and the energy taken from the network by the consumer. Next is the network stability services from generation sources. The maintenance and use of special equipment, just like a dynamic braking resistance, to maintain service transmission system. In last, system black start capability. The ability of generating unit to proceed from a shutdown condition to an operating condition without assistance from the grid, then to energize the grid to help other unit start after a blackout occurs. This is the also function of the ancillary services. अगर कोई सिस्टम ब्लैकआउट हो गया है, उस सिस्टम को ग्रिड को एनर्जाइज करके उसको दोबारा से स्टार्ट करने का it can also a function of a ancillary services. These are the mainly function of the ancillary services which are used for the in deregulated or restructured power system for maintaining the, which is already discussed, the regulation, voltage control, generation, reserve, dispatch, frequency, etc. In the next class, we will discuss the classification of ancillary services. Thank you.